Hi all, super casual video. I'm going on a mini trip, and when I say trip, I'm literally just traveling like 2-3 hours south to see some family for the week. But I want to bring my planner stuff because I know that if I do not journal while I am gone, I will not do it when I come back, because there's nothing I hate more than trying to backlog. So, I think my first order of business is this, which is my Delfonics bag. And then I kind of decorated this with various BTS enamel pins that I ordered over the years. Most of these are for like concerts I've been to. This one was a gift from my sister and her girlfriend for Christmas. But planner-wise, I know exactly which planners I'm taking, which is my Midori Hibino, just because this needs daily attention. So it's going in here. And then my new pocket ring planner. This is from Sweet. Oh my goodness. I have a little thing here. I don't want to scratch it. Anyways, this is from Sweet Planner Shop, and it's just pocket rings. So I am bringing this along with me. Yeah, bringing this with me. And then the biggest thing are stickers and pens. So this is what I got going on with me, and excuse my there's like random crap in here that I throw in. So this I do not need. This is an Apple pen. I do not need it. I'll probably keep this thing just because I use this for my sleep tracker. I want to say I probably won't use this fountain pen while I'm gone. This has a blue ink, which I use pretty sparingly. But my pocket ring planner does come with, or I hooked a Uniball wand pen with it, so it's going in there. And then I have my vanishing point. So I think I can do without these three. This looks good. This is the like limited edition Sanrio version. This is Pachaco. And then I have my vanishing point, which I probably might use. I got another Energel, but this is the, did I say, what is this one? This is the Pentel Energel. This is the Klena version. This is 0.4. I got my ever reliable Uniball Signo in 0.38. So I think these are my main ones. I rarely use highlighters, so I can do without it for this trip. But for sure, these 4 pens, and then this one can go into my little bin. I'm trying to think. I don't think I use highlighters for anything, so I will be okay without it. I always bring my corrective tape just because I mess up a lot. It won't fit in here, so I'll just keep it into the bag. So it's gonna go in here. And then I'll just slip this little guy into this little pocket here. And then the next thing is that I don't want to drag all of my stickers with me. And when I say all of my stickers, I really just mean a lot of the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo stickers. This is what I have right now. This is my little stack. It gets a little overwhelming to sift through. So realistically, I don't know if I'll be using stickers while I'm away. I feel like I want to bring them, but do I need it? I don't know. So I have this reusable sticker book that I purchased for one of her releases. So I think I might just take some time and put some, overall, I think it'd just be nice to be used as oh my gosh, I cannot talk. I think it would just be nice to use this reusable sticker book so I don't have to sift through all these things while I'm planning. For the most part, maybe I can do it by, what is it called? Oh, sticker types. So for sure I won't be using these washi ones just because these are more decorative and I don't think I'll be using it for now. Let's see, recreational or like stuff here. This is reading. I have a lot of reading stickers. Screen break. I won't be using this one for now. Don't got a hair appointment coming up. I'm sorry for this like super casual video. I feel like it's nice to do sometimes. Maybe writing. And then for sure coffee. I always have coffee stickers. And then the icon ones I might not even use, but just going to see ideas. I think this will probably go in together with the other stuff. So writing again, reading, lots of reading ones. I just couldn't choose which type of reading stickers I wanted, and so I ended up with a whole lot of them. And I've been using a lot of lowlights and highlights in my planners, so I think I will be using that. Groceries, I won't be grocery shopping. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's just do a few things here and there. Post, okay. And then a freebie. Okay. So, first of all, I think I'm going to do everything related to coffee. I don't know if Helen has boba stickers, but I definitely will be getting boba while I'm down there. So, I'm just gonna do like one of each for each of these ones. I feel like this is so illegal doing this. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm just taking one of each, by the way. There's like no method here, and I'm pretty sure I missed one right here. Okay, I think I got most of it. So this one. It'll probably read crooked. It's okay, guys. Don't judge me. Perfect. Okay. So that one is for coffee. Maybe I'll do all the food related ones. All of the food related, as if there's like food here. I don't even think there should be like all TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I think I'll just stick to TheCoffeeMonsterzCo because I use a lot of Helen stickers. Okay. Iced coffee. Sorry, there's now course one stuff here. Okay, for the sticker book, that's done. I got everything I needed. I'm gonna put this back in. I bought these little like envelopes, by the way, off of Amazon. It came in a pack of like 10 maybe, I want to say, but it fits these things perfectly. I'm probably going to bring some extra stickers. So these icon ones I might end up using. And then I put, so this is from Helen's shop as well, but I ended up putting some extra stickers, like decorative stickers I purchased from a different website. And I'm going to bring that with me, as well as these icon ones. But that should bring down like the bulk of my stickers. So yeah, I got my reusable sticker book and I got this small envelope, and then now it'll be easier to sift through. And I think that's it for my packing. I don't know where to put this. There we go. All right, and I think we're set. That's pretty much it. So yeah, this is all I'm bringing with me, and hopefully I have time to journal, so that'll be nice. But yeah, thanks for watching.